Want to know when your birds are sick before it's too late? Watch them closely every day. 30 birds are active, eating, drinking, and moving around. If you see bird looking weak, standing alone, refusing feed, having dropping wings, coughing, sneezing, or passive watery drooping, that's a warning sign. The earlier you spot sicknesses, the faster you can treat it and prevent losses in poultry farming. Daily observation is the difference between profit and loss. Watch this channel, subscribe to this channel for more poultry tips. Thank you.